Hey there, I'm Hope Brandt. I'm a registered dietitian, and today I'm going to be sharing some nutritious, beefy tips and tricks. I think a lot of times with burgers, people think, it's cheese and then that's it. But there's so many other things that you can add to really up the nutrient density of your plate. When we're looking to build a balanced plate, we want protein, we want carbohydrates, and we want fats as well. So we're kind of covered on two of our bases already. We've got the protein from the burger, we've got the carbohydrates from the bun. Beef also contains other nutrients, so you're getting iron, you're getting zinc. Adding vegetables, onions kind of add a nice crunch, a little bit of acidity. We have tomato. If you like mushrooms, go for it. When you're choosing a fat to add to your burger, avocado is one of my favorite fats to use. That's because you not only are getting healthy fats from the avocado, you're also getting a little bit of fiber. So we're gonna do a little burger bun switch up, and we're gonna use pineapple instead of the bread for our bun. This is a really fun option. It's a different type of carbohydrate than having the starch that comes from the bun. Top it with another slice of pineapple. I think this is a really great option if you just wanna switch up your carbohydrate source. Continue to incorporate fruits and vegetables, but still be able to eat the foods that you love. My favorite side to have with a burger, I think you gotta go with a classic, and that is gonna be French fries. But you can cook them in the oven and get the same crispiness without having something deep fried. So, hot tip. If you wanna find more nutritious tips and tricks, head to beefitswhatsfordinner.com.